Hello everybody, it's standard third of English. Let's start the revision of yearly examination. Question number 1 and question number 2, as you already know that we have covered. Now let's start question number 3, reference to context. It will be for 8 marks. Total there are 6 reference to context from it. Any 2 can come. So if you want to get 8 out of 8 marks, then we have to make it ready. These 6 reference to context. First number, Spring has forgotten this garden. A number, who said these words and to whom? So the answer is, Snow said these words to Frost. What is the answer? Snow said these words to Frost. B number, whose garden is this? So the answer is, this garden is of selfish giant. C number, why do you think Spring has forgotten this garden? So the answer is, because selfish giant did not allow the children to play there. D number, what happens next? So the answer is, he breaks the wall and allows the children to play in his garden. Second number, at the end of the week, show me all that you buy, but there is a condition. A number, who said these words and to whom? So the answer is, King Krishna Dev Raya said these words to his courtiers. B number, what was the condition? So the answer is, every time the courtiers spent a gold coin, they had to see the king's face. C number, how did the listener or listeners react to the condition? So the answer is, all the courtiers were pleased and they left for the market. D number, what happens next? So the answer is, the courtiers were puzzled as they could not see the king's face, so they could not spend the gold coins. Third number, but isn't that ridiculous? A number, who said these words and to whom? So the answer is, Mala said these words to the ant. B number, what does that refers to? So the answer is, that refers to the food which the ants were collecting for winter. C number, why did the speaker say this? So the answer is, Mala said these words as she thought that the ants were so early in collecting the food as winter was far away. What's the answer? Mala said these words. She thought that ants were so early in collecting the food as winter is very far away. D number, what happens next? So the answer is, the ants continue their work. Fourth number, but he wears unfashionable and strange clothes. A number, who said these words and to whom? So the answer is, Kabir said these words to his mother. B number, who does he refers to? So the answer is, he refers to Uncle Som. Answer is, he refers to the Uncle Som. C number, was the speaker happy or annoyed? So the answer is, Kabir was very annoyed. D number, what happens next? So the answer is, Kabir's mother scolded him for being so rude. Answer is, Kabir's mother scolded him for being so rude. Fifth number, well, little man, you can't take his place. A number, who said these words and to whom? So the answer is, the genie said these words to Narayan the fisherman. What is the answer? The genie said these words to the Narayan, to the fisherman. B number, who does he refers to? So the answer is, he's referred to the King Solomon. Answer is, he's referred to the King Solomon. C number, what did the little man take his place? So the answer is, no, Narayan did not take his place. Again, no, Narayan did not take the king's place. D number, what happens next? So the answer is, the fisherman thought for a while and told genie that he did not believe his story. What is the answer? The fisherman thought for a while and told the genie that he did not believe his story. 6 number, these merchants are so very wise. These merchants are very wise. A number, who said these words and to whom? So the answer is, the Raja said these words to his courtiers. What's the answer? Raja said these words to his courtiers. B number, why were these words said? So the answer is, it was said as the merchants had accurately described the camel after seeing his footprints only. What's the answer? It was said as the merchants had accurately described the camel after seeing his footprints only. C number, who were these merchants? So the answer is, these merchants were the 4 wise men. What's the answer? These merchants were 4 wise men. D number, what happens next? So the answer is, the king made the 4 merchants his minister. What is the answer? The king made the 4 merchants his ministers. Okay. Now let's start question number 4. Also filling the blanks, it will be for 8 marks. There are total 24 filling the blanks. Okay. First number, the giant's cattle has a huge garden. Answer is garden. Second number, spring has forgotten this garden. So answer is spring. Third number, Van Damme had 18 years back. Answer is years. Van Damme did 18 years back. So answer is years. Okay, answer is years. Fourth number, how can the courtiers see the king's face in the market? So the answer is C. Fifth number, the courtiers leave for the market to do some shopping. Answer is shopping. Fifth number, the courtiers. Sixth number, King Krishnadev Raya is in a good mood. Answer is king. 7 number, every time the courtiers spend a gold coin, they have to see the king's face. Answer is time. 8 number, every gold coin bears the picture of the king's face. Answer is face. 9 number, winter is far away, come friend, let's play. Hello dear students, in 9 number, winter is far away, come friend. Okay, here friend spelling FRIEND. Okay, here you have to write down friend spelling. The friend spelling, you just do the correction on it. Winter is far away, come friends, let's play. Okay, so there you have to just do the correction of the spelling friends. Okay, so answer is winter. In 9 number, answer is winter. 10 number, Mala must look someone else to play with. So answer is play. 11 number, ice cream and pizza are not bad if you eat them sometimes. Answer is sometimes. 12 number, proteins build your body. Answer is build. 13 number, Mrs. Sharma not want the children to eat junk food at time. So the answer is junk food. Okay, answer is junk. Mrs. Sharma not want the children to eat food at the time. Okay, answer is at. Okay, answer is junk. Okay. 14 number, Uncle Som is coming to stay with us next week. Answer is week. 15 number, but he wears unfashionable and strange clothes. Answer is wears. 16 number, Uncle Som arrived that Sunday morning. Answer is Sunday. Okay, answer is Sunday. 16 number. 17 number. Once there was a poor fisherman named Narayan. Answer is Narayan. 18 number. There was no fish in it, only a dirty bottle, only a dirty old bottle. Answer is bottle. Answer is bottle. 19 number. We should stay calm and act wisely in a difficult situation. Answer is situation. Answer is situation. Okay. 20 number. The genie was trapped inside the bottle once again. Answer is trapped. Answer is strapped. 21 number. We have not stolen your animal. Answer is stolen. Answer is stolen. 22 number. We are honest man, not thieves. Answer is honest. Answer is honest. 23rd number. These merchants are very wise. Answer is wise. Answer is wise. 24 number. Pinocchio decided to save some money to buy clothes for himself. Answer is decided. Okay, answer is decided. So dear students, here we have completed question number 3 and 4. Okay, question number 3 and reference to context, and question number 4 filling the blanks. You just make it ready. If it is possible, then write it down one time in your notebook and try to make it ready. In the next video we are going to check out the next question. Till then you just make it ready, question number 3 and 4. Okay, thank you.